Titrations are a way to determine the concentration of an unknown solution using a different solution of known concentration. And in order to do that, you of course need a balanced chemical equation. And the way the titrations are going to work is you're going to take a base with an acid, and it's going to output water, and I put in quotations, a salt. In essence, it's an ionic compound, a metal with a nonmetal, in essence, is what's going to happen. And so let's run through this example. It's going to be very similar to the solution stoichiometry that we just did in the previous problem. Now, you have a stock solution of HCl, but you have unknown concentration. And so the molarity of HCl is unknown. I don't know what that is. And it says, in order to determine the concentration, I titrate the solution with sodium hydroxide. Now, I've got 25.8 milliliters and a 6 molarity of sodium hydroxide, and that's required to completely neutralize 65 milliliters of HCl. And what I want to do is I want to determine the concentration of HCl. Now, we already know from the previous video, or from previous videos, that concentration is moles per liter. Now, here's the thing. I've already got liters of HCl. That's already known. So that means I just got to find moles of HCl. I'll just do moles per liter. I like every stoichiometry problem. Start with what's given. And if I have 25.8 milliliters of sodium hydroxide, that's the same thing as 0.0258 liters of sodium hydroxide. And then if I want to convert from volume of 1 into moles of that, you utilize your concentration. 6 molarity means that I have 6 moles of sodium hydroxide per liter. Then to convert from moles of sodium hydroxide into moles of hydrochloric acid, you use your balanced equation. And in this situation, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 mole of sodium hydroxide is required to titrate with 1 mole of HCl. Whenever I throw all this into the calculator, I get 0.155 moles of HCl. Finally, if I want to find my concentration, you just do moles per liter. I got the 0.155 moles of HCl. They gave me the volume, 65 milliliters. That's 0.065 liters of HCl. And when I throw that into my calculator, I get my concentration.